Get unlimited, unrestricted access to world's largest, cloud-based, one-click searchable platform with more than 50 million plus royalty-free stock images, videos, GIFs, animations, memes and damp audio tracks. For a low one-time price, get unlimited access instantly searchable to 50 million plus stock resources. Stop paying huge monthly fees to stock websites. Save thousands of dollars a year on photos and damp videos. Never again waste hours looking for good stock photos. Never get sued for using copyrighted images. Eliminates all the hassle of searching and downloading content from multiple sites. With our 100% cloud-based image, audio and damp video editor, customize and damp edit any resource to suit your or your client's marketing needs. Click the first link in the description below to order the product from the official website. Create stunning marketing content with PropelStock in just 3 simple steps. Step 1. Enter a keyword and search from over 25 million resources. Step 2. Just tap on it to modify as per your needs with our cloud-based video, image and music editor. Step 3. Use it anywhere and in any way as you wish. Are you looking for high-quality videos and images to use in your websites, videos, social media posts, or marketing campaigns? Then, like me, you must have come across these major problems. Problem #1. Spend hours and hours looking for high-quality free images and damp videos. Searching for high-quality images and damp videos that are perfect for your needs is time-consuming. It can easily take hours to find just one image. You need to go through tens of websites, hundreds of images and hope you find the perfect one. Problem #2. Not knowing which images are royalty-free and can be used for commercial purposes. Even if you find an image or video that you like, it can be difficult to determine which are royalty-free and can be used for commercial purposes. Using images from unknown sites or Google Images can get you in trouble and even lead to lawsuits or getting your business shut down. Problem #3. Violating copyright laws and getting sued for thousands of dollars. Using copyrighted images without permission can lead to legal trouble. It's important to make sure that you're only using images that are royalty-free and have been released for commercial use. Problem #4. Paying monthly fees that can cost up to $500 a month. Stock photo sites charge monthly fees that often start at $49 per month for just 10 images. That's why the average marketer spends hours searching for free images while considering using stock photos. Worse, if you try to buy them individually, the costs can add up quickly. For example, Shutterstock charges $1,699 for 25 images. And that's just one website. Get unlimited access to 50 million plus royalty-free, high-quality stock images, videos, GIFs, animations, audio tracks for a low one-time fee without any restrictions. Click the first link in the description below to order the product from the official website, and after that just send me the screenshot of your purchase to my Instagram. The link is below. Then I will send you the bonuses. Free video courses and book courses on how to make money online fast 2 to 4 weeks maximum.